Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DaVinci Resolve cache to NAS storage, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your DaVinci Resolve cache to NAS storage, start by opening DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the program is running, navigate to the Preferences menu. In the Preferences window, locate the Media Storage tab. Under Media Storage, you will see a list of locations where your cache and media files are stored. Make a note of the current cache location for reference. Next, you'll need to ensure your NAS device is properly set up and connected to your network. Access your NAS storage management interface through your web browser. Create a designated folder for your DaVinci Resolve cache on the NAS. Remember the path of this folder, you will need it later. Return to DaVinci Resolve and click on the Add Location button in the Media Storage section. In the dialog that appears, browse to the NAS folder you just created and select it. Make sure to save your changes in the Preferences window. Now, exit the Preferences menu to return to your project. To copy the existing cache files, navigate to the current cache directory you noted earlier. Select all the files and folders within that cache directory. Right-click on the selection and choose Copy. Now, open the folder you created on your NAS. Right-click inside that folder and choose Paste to transfer the cache files. Wait for the copying process to complete. This may take some time depending on the amount of data. After copying is finished, double-check to ensure all files have been successfully transferred. For regular backups, consider creating a schedule to copy new cache files from DaVinci Resolve to your NAS. Finally, regularly check both your NAS storage and DaVinci Resolve settings to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.